Housecall Pro is built to move service jobs fast from booking to payment, while Commusoft is built to track customers and service history over long periods, which changes how each one performs in real day-to-day work. By the end of this, you'll know how Housecall Pro and Commusoft compare, where each one is stronger, and which system fits better depending on whether you prioritize speed or long-term service tracking. Housecall Pro focuses on fast field service operations. It connects scheduling, dispatching, estimates, invoicing, and customer communication in one workflow. The main goal is to reduce the number of manual steps between getting a job and completing it, especially for residential service businesses. Commusoft is built around detailed customer and asset history. It organizes jobs in a way that keeps long-term records of work, equipment, and service visits. That makes it especially useful when jobs are part of ongoing maintenance plans or repeat service contracts. The biggest difference shows up in how each platform treats the customer relationship. Housecall Pro focuses on individual jobs and fast completion, where each visit is treated as a standalone service event. Commusoft connects every job into a full service history, so you can see exactly what has been done for a customer over time. Scheduling works differently too. Housecall Pro uses a dispatch-style calendar designed for quick assignment and fast adjustments throughout the day. Commusoft's scheduling is more structured around planned maintenance and repeat visits, which makes it better for long-term scheduling but less focused on same-day speed. On communication and follow-ups, Housecall Pro keeps things simple and streamlined, with tools built to keep customers informed during active jobs. Commusoft adds more structure around service records, which helps when you need detailed documentation of past work or equipment history. For smaller service businesses focused on residential jobs like plumbing, HVAC, or electrical repairs, Housecall Pro usually fits better because it reduces admin time and keeps daily operations moving quickly. For companies managing commercial clients, maintenance contracts, or long-term service agreements, Commusoft offers more depth in tracking and documentation. The core difference is workflow focus. Housecall Pro is optimized for speed and job turnover. Commusoft is optimized for long-term service tracking and structured maintenance management. To choose between them, look at your customer type. If most of your work is one-time or fast turnaround service calls, Housecall Pro aligns with that workflow. If your business depends on repeat visits, service history, and maintenance tracking, Commusoft is built for that structure. A simple next step is to check how often you need to refer back to past jobs or equipment history when servicing a customer. If that happens frequently, Commusoft is likely the better fit. If not, Housecall Pro will feel more efficient day to day. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of field service software.